In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Figma file. Before we start, keep in mind that permanently deleting a file in Figma means it cannot be recovered later. So only do this for files you're absolutely sure you no longer need or that you've already backed up somewhere else. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct account and team. From your main Figma workspace, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You should see different sections like Recent, Drafts, Projects, and so on. Among these, there's a section called Trash. This is where Figma sends files that have already been deleted once but are still recoverable. Go ahead and click on Trash. Once you're in the Trash view, you'll see a list or grid of all the files that have been moved there from that team or workspace. Take a moment to carefully scan through the files and confirm which one you actually want to remove permanently. This step is important because after this process, you will not be able to restore the file. When you've found the file you want to delete forever, move your mouse over it and right-click on the file. A context menu will appear with several options related to that file. Right-clicking is how you access file-specific actions in Figma, especially inside areas like Trash, so make sure you're clicking directly on the file thumbnail or its name. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Permanently Delete. The wording may stand out in a different color because it's a destructive action, so Figma wants to make sure you notice it. Click on Permanently Delete. After you click this, Figma may ask you to confirm your choice with a pop-up dialog. This is one last safeguard to prevent you from deleting something by accident. Read the confirmation message, double-check that the file name is correct, and then confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the file will be removed from Trash and from your Figma workspace completely. It won't appear in Search, in Projects, or in Trash anymore. If you think you'll ever need the file again, consider duplicating it or exporting keyframes before you delete it permanently. And that's it. You've now permanently deleted a Figma file by going into Trash, right-clicking the file, and choosing the Permanently Delete option.